honorable members of parliament abashyikireho bebembirwe member witu wa parliament wa South Division Mbarara City abantu bakuru mwena bariyaha basebo nabanyabu amazina kanje ni Nyetwacho mu Mugabi Rutashorora Mayor wa Mbarara City South ni ntwaro mu Kishogo omwizina lyabebembezi ba City yona eyambarra kubakira mwena aha mukoro ku mweterero mu ngaro mwebare kwisha
mazima tuijo
ntenda kusima mjeni witu mkuru Honorable Tayewa Deputy Speaker wa Parliament aha mwemirime yari kukora member mkuru Honorable Mwinempaka na Honorable Rita na bamba Parliament abariya mutusimire owikitinisa Speaker emirimo ye najikoraje itwaitwa ntureba emirimo ye on Parliament ajikozereje na barasinga je Parliament na jahaburaje ntumwesimisa mnonga kandi ntumuraganisa kumuhereza ba member ba Parliament abara akore naboje omutamu eri kwija bakagaruka bakamuhereza karuru umwanya gwono gwarabe naenda kwesimba Minyenda kusima ba makanika bitu abambara bo kwegita imwe mbeta ba makanika kokaba na ba engineer abana ba engineer no basa kureta engineer original ale mwena ngono komora engine abana ba komora engine ne ba komora gearbox buri kimwe cyona ne bakikora muri ba engineer bitu mwebare aha kanjira una yakira emwarukamba izora baba utagarika kubeta ba makanika abana ba engineer bitu ntwenda kubebaza abemirimo eyimurukora Honorable Mwinempaka ninyenda kusima abo organizing abantu abo kokataka jirehare ba member ba Parliament abisha ninyenda kwemereza abebembeza bariya mwemerere councillors and LC1 chairpersons imwe bakuru ba member ba Parliament we sat as leaders omushwekera witwa Parliament abwe 2026 kusiasha tunagumwe mbena bakushemba kimwe kitwakozire abakushemba Honorable Mwinempaka kuba sole candidate aha ba Mbarara City South mwemerere bantu abakamera kero mungaro mwebare mno Honorable kitwakozire no shotu wakireba it has been endorsed by the population. So what we did was what was supposed to be done. I salute you, our gallant sons, the honorable councillors and chairpersons. Honorable Atkwasa Rita, whoever kwata nisaje na Honorable Mwinempaka mukatkora Mbarara City South. Kandi ni nkuraganisa nguni iwe mtukweka kutwara na mnyanyo kwa tokuza kumanyuma Mbarara South rete kwa kushaini. Tingu zaku zahare munonga ofisi yanje katurizane ba makanika ofisi yanje nkameya wa Mbarara City South omuyunion yanyu na batera million emwe nkeya office kandi nange nkachomo amwe very good farmer omurutoje rwanje bitoje byanje ningaruka ni nyam million ndijo niziba million ibi